Charles Leclerc, now we're going green, did not get away well, and Max Verstappen is right on his tail, and they're going to go wheel to wheel into turn one here. Charles Leclerc has been leading this race. Verstappen fancies his chances. Leclerc stays ahead, but now we've got the rundown towards turn three. Can Verstappen get a slipstream behind the Ferrari and make an impression and take the lead of this race? Leclerc under braking, Verstappen second, Hamilton and George Russell, I should say, all over Max Verstappen. Behind him comes Fernando Alonso as well, and what an exciting restart this is.